test drive the 2018 911. 911, safety and dynamics, coupled with inner strength, a legend, and up to 3,200 RPM, the engine operates with dual injection. At up to 2,500 RPM, it even works with triple injection. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, passenger airbag, air conditioning, side airbags, power steering, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.